In the business report, we start with investment news. Siboney Group Limited has advised that the company has changed its name to Innovative Energy Group Limited. The company will trade under the new listing or trading symbol, Energy, effective March 28, 2024. In consumer news, more Jamaicans are formally complaining about their financial services experience. The Bank of Jamaica said in its recently released annual report that the 147 complaints made in the fraud and in propriety category reflected an increase of 227% over the 45 reported for 2022. The increasing trend in customer complaints comes amid plans to improve customer service delivery by the 8 commercial banks via the reshaping of the regulatory environment. General Manager at the Jamaica Mortgage Bank, JMB, Courtney Winter, says the entity has significantly contributed to the nation's housing stock and the growth of the economy. He was speaking during the ribbon-cutting ceremony for the Vineyards at Deanery apartment complex on Deanery Road in Vineyard Town in Kingston on Wednesday. He noted the bank's value in delivering with efficiency. His comments followed Prime Minister Andrew Holness's keynote address.
And that is to channel a lot of the developments, government developments, through the Jamaica Mortgage Bank.
Mr. Winter says the entity has significantly contributed to the nation's housing stock and the growth of the economy. He says the bank has financed approximately 60% of the housing developments in Portmore and more recently funding the Long Mountain housing development and others across Jamaica, including the Vineyards at Deanery. The Vineyards at Deanery comprises studio and 2-bedroom apartments with a 6th-floor penthouse on both blocks. Investors can look out for income in the form of dividend payments from 2 companies. Denise Williams has that story, plus the news on the local and regional stock exchange and your credit tip of the day.
Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited has declared an interim dividend of 96 cents per stock unit payable on May 8, 2024 to stockholders on record as of April 15, 2024. The ex-dividend date is April 12, 2024. Additionally, One Great Studio Company Limited has declared an interim dividend of 0.12 cents per share payable to shareholders on record as of April 10, 2024. The ex-dividend date is April 9, 2024, and the payment date is May 3, 2024. During trading on March 27, 2024, the top 3 advancing stocks covered the manufacturing and real estate sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Lasco Manufacturing Limited shares advanced by 14.26% for a 76-cent price increase to close at $6.09 with 620 shares traded. Spurtree Spices Jamaica Limited shares advanced by 9.54% for a 23 cents price upward movement to close at $2.64 with 1,060,608 shares traded. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited Jamaican dollar shares advanced by 9.01% for a 91-cent price increase to close at $11.01 with 4,794 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 27, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the manufacturing, finance, and insurance sectors. Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited declined by 16.11% for a 24-cent price drop to close at $1.25 with 3,283 shares traded. Epley 7.5% shares declined by 15.7% for a 95-cent shave off the price to close at $5.10 with 10,840 shares traded. Iron Rock Insurance Company Limited declined by 15.08% for a 38-cent price slippage to close at $2.14 with 45 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on March 27, 2024, registered a volume of 376,402 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at TT $3,705,420.15. Massey Holdings was the volume leader, with 63,110 shares changing hands for a value of TT $274,671.76, followed by One Caribbean Media Limited with a volume of 60,960 shares being traded for TT $233,371.77. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 27, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $21.8 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $20 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $154.83 and bought the US dollars for $152.72. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.11, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.67 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $113.44 and bought for $110.77. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $8.47, selling it for $198.88 and buying it for $190.41. For our credit report tip of the day, if your credit score takes a hit because of high interest rates, you may find it harder to get approved for new loans or credit cards. This limits your financial options. Here's what you can do. Monitor your credit. Keep track of your credit report regularly to spot any errors or signs of identity theft. Reporting mistakes can help keep your credit score accurate. And with that, we wrap up today's business report.